Hello, everybody. Today is Saturday, June the 15th, 2013. My name is Michael Wright, and this is the Weekend Elliott Way video. Just before continuing, please do pause the recording and read over the risk disclaimer. Alright, let's look at performance for the previous week as we close out the week of June 9th, another profitable week. Really extending
Incoming
the
chat.
previous week's gains of 80 and a quarter. Last week booked 161 pips. To kick last week off, if you look at the log, indeed every trade is indeed posted. Got a bit choppy, I would say, Monday, Tuesday, the beginning of the week, but things really kicked off. Swishy and shorts actually that bode well, 112 pips, and then we really ended off on a strong note with the EURCAD at 112, and then the Aussie dollar long for plus 127. Got stopped out a couple times at break even, but nonetheless, really closed out another good month, another good week. So let's look for the same thing to happen. You know what? This is why we always say risk management is important, because no trader is going to be positive every single trade. Okay. So always keep that in mind, and as long as you continue to maintain a certain leverage size, you should stay in the green for the most part. All right, but as we kick off next week's trade, I'm looking at a couple pairs. One in particular, this is the Aussie dollar 4-hour chart. Looking for a back test into the 94.60 area. Okay, that would be the breakout retest zone, and more importantly the ascending trend line on the recent upswing. Indeed, exit point was pretty good, so now looking to re-enter. We're still looking for that 97 targets, the descending trend line from the 104 high. 50% retracement lies 95.26. Would rather see 94.80 with our 40 pip stop, which will lie beneath the trendline support. Meanwhile, same viewpoint goes for the Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar back tests looking into the 79.70 area, so not too far away, and then looking for a nice upswing into the 82 zone. Nonetheless, pound CAD, I left those pending orders open. Looking at this hourly chart, basically just looking for a test back near the highs, double top, descending trend line from the 160 60 mark. Back tester here, and then looking for a sell-off in that zone. And also, I still am going to keep close eyes on the Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi now close enough to backtesting that support area. I still like the breakouts. Momentum divergence is clear. Confirmation comes above 120. So we'll see how that plays out next week. Same thing goes for the EURCAD, similar to the pound CAD. EURCAD, we called out at the top. That was one of the trades we closed out for plus 112. Now just looking for a back test somewhere near the fib resistance around 136, 136.30. Either that, or I'll just wait for a 4-hour close, a 4-hour break and close below 135 for shorts. If it spikes below, I'll just wait and see if we could get a retest before looking at shorts. But with the euro dollar potential also reversal around this zone, looking for EURCAD to start buckling under some pressure. Alright, so those are a couple of pairs that we are looking at as we start things off next week. The weekend webinar will be held tomorrow around 1600 Eastern. I'll send out the invitation later on today. And then Christopher will have his midweek webinar on Wednesday. Alright guys, let's see how the week plays out. I'll talk to you all in the chat room. Also, feel free to Skype me if you have any specific questions. WTCG.Mike, or feel free to email us. Our main support desk is at trade@rightinv.com. All right, cheers and good luck trading.